Oh, just an old dog. One of my favorite Jim Faddis songs. He always sends these to Nikki to see if they make her cry. And if they do, then they pass the test and they get recorded. Just an old dog. He's just an old dog. He sleeps on the couch. He lies on his back and opens his mouth. Sometimes it's bad as a train headed south. He's just an old dog who sleeps on the couch. He's just an old dog who goes where I go. He walks where I walk, but he takes it slow. He don't eat too much and he just sleeps all day. He's just an old dog, that's all I can say. Well, he's just an old dog. He don't move too fast, but neither do I, as all in times past. Sometimes I wonder how long he will last. He's just an old dog. He don't move too fast. He's just an old dog who goes where I go. He walks where I walk, but he takes it slow. He don't eat too much and he just sleeps all day. He's just an old dog, that's all I can say. Well, I've had this old dog since he was a pup, and now we both know his time's coming up. Well, I just hope I have loved him enough. I've had this old dog since he was a pup. He's just an old dog who goes where I go. He walks where I walk, but he takes it slow. He don't eat too much and he just sleeps all day. He's just an old dog, that's all I can say. He's just an old dog, goes where I go. He walks where I walk, but he takes it slow. He don't eat too much and he just sleeps all day. He's just an old dog, that's all I can say. Just an old dog. I'd like to dedicate that to Tank and Hank.
And thank you, Jim.
Thank you, Jim.